Welcome back to Judge Experience, and we drove up the Cavenall Hill hoping to hike, but there was no hiking spots. I'm not 100% sure, but I think it's the world's highest hill. We're back at Cavenall Hill looking for a place to hike. We keep hearing these turkey noises. It sounds like it's like coming over from there. But, there he is. Oh, never mind, that's just Jackson. And, as we're walking to find a hiking spot, we still haven't seen a turkey. But we're still looking for a hiking spot. And we'll keep hunting. And if you like this video, click the like and subscribe button. I give up. I'm going home. We can't find no turkey.
Bye, Jet.